What's something people don't know about Henry Ford? Welcome to Entrepreneurial Edge. If you love stories of innovation and determination, make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel. Henry Ford's name is synonymous with American industry. He didn't invent the car, but he made it accessible to everyone. Ford's story is one of grit, determination, and a relentless pursuit of innovation. He revolutionized manufacturing with the assembly line. His Model T became a symbol of American ingenuity. Ford's impact extended far beyond cars, shaping the landscape of American life for generations to come. Ford's journey began on a farm, but his heart yearned for something more. He was fascinated by machinery, seeing the potential to improve lives through technology. This fascination led him to Detroit, the burgeoning Motor City, where he would leave an indelible mark. Ford's legacy is a testament to the power of hard work, ingenuity, and the unwavering belief in a better tomorrow. Born in 1863 in rural Michigan, Henry Ford's childhood was steeped in the traditions of farm life. His father, William, expected him to follow in his footsteps. But young Henry had other ideas. Farm work felt tedious and uninspiring to him. He longed to create, to build, to bring his ideas to life. At the age of 12, Ford got his hands on a pocket watch. He eagerly took it apart, studied its inner workings, and successfully reassembled it. This experience ignited a passion for mechanics. He devoured books on engineering and spent hours tinkering in his makeshift workshop. Ford's disdain for farm work grew alongside his fascination with machines. He knew his future lay beyond the fields of his father's farm. At 16, Ford set his sights on Detroit, a city pulsating with the energy of industrial growth. He convinced his father to let him go, promising to return if he didn't find success within 6 months. Armed with a strong work ethic and a thirst for knowledge, Ford quickly found his footing in the city. He landed a job as an apprentice machinist, immersing himself in the world of engines and machinery. Ford's reputation as a skilled mechanic grew. He caught the attention of Thomas Edison's company, then known as the Edison Illuminating Company. Hired as an engineer, Ford worked on their power plants, gaining valuable experience with electricity and internal combustion engines. Evenings were spent in his home workshop, where he toiled tirelessly on his dream of building a self-propelled vehicle. Detroit had ignited Ford's ambition, providing the perfect environment for his talents to flourish. In 1896, Ford's hard work culminated in the creation of his first automobile, the quadricycle. It was a rudimentary vehicle, more akin to a motorized carriage than a car. Powered by a 2-cylinder, 4-horsepower engine, it had a top speed of 20 miles per hour. The quadricycle had no reverse gear, relying on Ford's strength to physically maneuver it when needed. Despite its limitations, the quadricycle was a triumph for Ford. It represented the culmination of years of tireless work and unwavering belief in his vision. The quadricycle attracted investors, allowing Ford to establish his first company, the Detroit Automobile Company. However, his early ventures were fraught with challenges. Disagreements with investors and production difficulties led to the company's demise. Undeterred, Ford continued to refine his designs, driven by the belief that he could build a better, more affordable car. Building a car for everyone. Ford envisioned a future where cars were not luxury items for the wealthy, but reliable and affordable transportation for everyone. He understood that mass production was the key to achieving this goal. Ford's focus shifted to simplicity, durability, and ease of manufacture. He wanted to build a car that was easy to operate and maintain, even for those unfamiliar with complex machinery. His perseverance paid off. In 1903, Ford established the Ford Motor Company, determined to bring his vision to life. He experimented with different materials and manufacturing techniques, constantly seeking ways to improve efficiency and reduce costs. Ford's commitment to affordability resonated with the public, and his company began to gain traction. He was on the cusp of revolutionizing the automobile industry. The assembly line revolution. Ford's breakthrough came with the introduction of the assembly line. Inspired by the efficiency of a Chicago slaughterhouse where carcasses were moved along a conveyor belt, Ford saw the potential to transform automobile manufacturing. He partnered with the Dodge brothers, skilled machinists who shared his vision, to implement this revolutionary system. The assembly line divided the complex process of building a car into a series of simple, repetitive tasks. Each worker was responsible for a specific task, becoming highly proficient at it. This streamlined approach drastically reduced production time and costs. The success of the Model N, a precursor to the Model T, validated Ford's vision. The assembly line proved to be a game-changer, paving the way for the mass production of automobiles. The Model T, an American icon. In 1908, Ford introduced the Model T, a car that would become an American icon. Durable, affordable, and easy to maintain, the Model T was an instant success. Ford's use of vanadium steel, a lighter and stronger alloy, further enhanced the car's durability and performance. He famously offered the Model T in any color as long as it's black, a testament to his focus on efficiency and affordability. The assembly line reached its peak efficiency with the Model T. Production time for a single car plummeted from over 12 hours to just 93 minutes. This unprecedented efficiency allowed Ford to lower the price of the Model T, making it accessible to a wider market. The Model T became synonymous with freedom and mobility, transforming the American landscape and way of life. Ford's enduring legacy. Henry Ford's impact on American industry and society is immeasurable. He revolutionized manufacturing with the assembly line, making mass production a reality. His relentless pursuit of efficiency and affordability made cars accessible to the masses, forever changing the way people lived, worked, and explored the world. Ford's legacy extends beyond the automotive industry. He introduced the $5 workday, doubling the prevailing wage at the time and setting a new standard for worker compensation. He understood that a well-paid workforce was a productive workforce. Ford's vision and innovations helped shape the American century, leaving an enduring legacy that continues to influence the world today. Thank you for watching this episode of Entrepreneurial Edge. If you enjoyed the story of Henry Ford, please like the video and subscribe to our channel for more inspiring stories.